In this video, we will watch the geyser at the Yellowstone National Park. This road is heading to the entrance. Wow. The view is mesmerizing. We experience snowfalls because when water vapor in the atmosphere freezes and falls from clouds as ice crystals. Luckily, when we arrive, the snow stops falling. The soil around geysers is often made of rhyolite, a volcanic rock that contains minerals that help form and seal the geyser's plumbing system. The plumbing system is a network of fissures that run from the geyser's mouth deep underground to connect with the geyser's heat source. If you're asking about a bad smell coming from a water heater, here are some possible causes and solutions. Bacteria. Bacteria can grow in a water heater that's not used often or if warm water is left in the tank for too long. The bacteria can produce hydrogen sulfide gas, which smells like rotten eggs. To prevent this, you can flush the tank to remove sediment, increase the water temperature, replace the anode rod. The boiling temperature of water increases with pressure. For example, at a depth of 30 meters, about 100 feet below the surface, the boiling point is approximately 140 degrees Celsius to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Geothermal power from steam wells depends on the same volcanic heat sources, and boiling temperature changes with depth that drive geyser displays. There isn't much information about smoke coming from a geyser, but here's some related information about smoke from water heaters and hydrothermal features. Water heaters. Black smoke from a water heater can be caused by debris in the burner or built up in the water heater. Orange or yellow flames can also indicate a problem. Geysers are rare geological features found in areas with specific hydrogeological conditions, typically associated with past volcanic activity. Their formation requires a combination of plentiful water, an intense heat source like a magma chamber, and a unique plumbing system with constrictions that trap water and allow pressure to build from the accumulating steam. These constrictions prevent water from freely circulating to the surface, which would otherwise release heat and prevent the necessary pressure buildup for an eruption. Yellowstone National Park preserves the most extraordinary collection of hot springs, geysers, mud pots, and fumaroles on Earth. More than 10,000 hydrothermal features are found here, of which more than 500 are geysers.
Ano talaga video?
During this time, the snow starts to fall and it's getting colder. What an extraordinary experience! The hot springs within Yellowstone are far too hot to enjoy. Even a dip of a toe could result in serious burns. Please pay attention to signage and do not touch the scalding waters of Yellowstone. There are a few places where hot waters flow into cool rivers, making a warm area to swim and soak. Microorganisms called thermophiles, or heat lovers, make their homes in the hydrothermal features of Yellowstone. Although individually they are too small to be seen with the naked eye, so many are grouped together in the park's hydrothermal features trillions that they often appear as mats of color. These microorganisms are also called extremophiles because they inhabit environments that are extreme to human life. Imagine living in water at near boiling temperatures with the alkalinity of baking soda or with acidity that can burn holes in clothing. Microorganisms in Yellowstone not only exist in such conditions, but require these extremes to thrive. What makes a geyser erupt? Water percolating down from above is warmed by geothermal heat from below, forming pressurized steam in an underground cavity. The high pressure causes the water to become superheated above its usual boiling point of 212 degrees at 100 degrees C.
Manipis?
Hot springs are the most common hydrothermal features in Yellowstone. Their plumbing has no constrictions. Superheated water cools as it reaches the surface, sinks, and is replaced by hotter water from below. This circulation prevents water from reaching the temperature needed to set off an eruption. The snow continuous pouring.
Sparrow.
We are now entering the way to Old Faithful Geyser.
Hindi pa naman.
It's freezing.
Asan yung ano mo, yung start mo? Hindi dinala. Video ka ta dyan. Sige.
The snow is getting stronger. We need to go inside.
Dito la, picture mo.
Come and let us see the Geyser Museum. Wow.
Nap.
Here are the educational facts about Geyser.
Sige, sige.
The Old Faithful Visitor Education Center features exhibits on Yellowstone's hydrothermal features geysers, hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles, life in these extreme environments, the volcano beneath Yellowstone, and ongoing scientific research in one of the greatest living laboratories on Earth. Children of all ages will enjoy the Young Scientist exhibit room, which includes a geyser model, hands-on exhibits, and a gathering space for classes and other organized groups. Evening ranger-led programs are presented during the summer and the winter seasons. The Old Faithful Visitor Education Center was built to minimize its impact on the natural surroundings and is a LEED certified building.
Ay. Nasa YouTube na si Ate Chari.
It's freezing, sheesh. Yellowstone is home to the largest bison population on public land in the United States. Bison are often seen in and around the geyser basins, including Old Faithful, Mammoth Hot Springs, and Westham Geyser Basin. They migrate and explore, and congregate to compete for mates during breeding season.
Magaling pumeso itong mga to.
Yellowstone National Park Lodges operates a collection of charming gift shops around the park with a treasure trove of keepsakes and mementos. Our shops are located in our lodges and village areas near the park's iconic attractions. The gift shops not only offer a chance to bring a piece of this captivating wilderness home, but also contributes to the park's conservation efforts with our sustainable items and made-in-USA products. If you found the video informative, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.